Hello friends, in this video I'm going to create a simple animated CSS button. To create that button, let us first use button type equal to button, and then we will call a label here. We will write click me. Let us refresh this page. So we have this click me button over here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to call a class. In CSS we can call a class to apply some CSS rule. So we will call this animated button, right? Now we have this animated button applied here. So now let us write a CSS. So to write a CSS, I'm going to use a inline style, and what we are going to do, we are going to call this class. So we are defining this class here. Okay, so now we have this animated button class over here, and first thing what we are going to do, we will give a background color. Okay, so the background color, let's give 3498 dB. Okay, so let us see how this looks. So this is the button. Now the background color is changed. Okay, now let us change the text color. So color, make it white, refresh. So this is white color text. Now let us provide some padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Let's just see. Okay, so this gives the good padding. Now just to let you know, this is how it will look. Okay, I just increased the size of the button. Okay, just to make sure that you it is clear to you. Okay, now we will remove the border. So we will write border 0, refresh. Now we don't have any border in this button. Then let us give some font size. Let us give 18 pixel font size. Okay, and then let us have some border radius as well. Border radius, let's give 5 pixels. So it will give a border radius effect here in the corners. Okay, now we will have a cursor. Let us change the cursor to pointer. Refresh this. Now we have this pointer coming over here. Next one is what we are going to do. We are going to give a transition. Okay, so using transition, what we are going to do, we are going to change the color, background color, and it will take 0.3 seconds, and it will be in ease format. And what will happen when we have this animated button hover effect? Now when we hover on this button, what should it do? It should change the background color to, let's say we have this 2980 B9. Okay, so now refresh this. If we see, now you can see. Okay, so this is giving a very nice animated effect using HTML and CSS. Now to enhance it further, let us have a few more styles, and we will do transform as well. And what we are going to do, transform, we will pass a scale to 1, and then transition will be okay, transition will be this transform, and again 0.3 seconds and ease. Okay, so we are going to remove this. Let's comment this out. Okay, and then in the hover we are going to transform, scale to 1.05. Now let us see the effect. Refresh this page. and see. All right, so see, with using very basic CSS properties, we can create a very nice animated button effect. So I hope this video is clear to you. In case yes, do subscribe this channel, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.